I never knew I was going to actually meet snow, but thank God I met it. I'm so glad. I'm happy. Babe, my hair is not down. That's why I'll have to pull it under. Put the hair under my clothes from the back. Look at this car, guys. Look at the cars. You push it to go under, then I can pull it from down. Okay.
It's alright. Because this thing got stuck. And then
this thing is so high, babe.
Good.
I can't even see properly.
Your throat is already
This is fun, guys. This is my first time.
Hey, don't push me.
I'm not pushing you. Can you see that? Babe, please be in front. I could barely see because of the snow.
You should turn this whole thing around. Hey, it is slippery, eh? I always felt.
Thank God I wore this shoe. This shoe has like tons. Oh my. I'm so happy to have met this week. Take a walk with me, guys. My first ever snow. It's lovely. Hey, look at it. Even the cat is enjoying the view. Are you seeing the cat, babe? Oh my god. Babe, can you video me small? Quick. Guys. Oh my god. I like it. Oh, look at children running at the back. I think they're enjoying the snow too. Like totally gone.
Do it again, do it again.
Okay.
Oh,
wow. You're twins. They want to skate.
I told you, when snow comes, people are getting crazy.
Oh my god. I'm so happy.
But then, I didn't hear that they would...
That there will be snow.
Yeah.
Maybe it just came. They didn't know. Guys. Oh my.
Now you can do your
Angel. Yeah. I should do it, right?
Not here.
I'm glad I wore this shoe. Oh my god, look at, they are doing it.
Yeah. You want to do also there?
If it's much there. Now I'm going to go to where nobody will see me. Oh my god. So I think they're actually looking for where there is much snow. Yes. Okay. This is actually fun.
Oh, you see?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Oh wow. Oh babe, I got the snow. I thought it was totally gone, like gone. Oof.
This is not usual. Like, we don't have this
All the
often.
time.
Like,
They would have seen it before time.
yeah.
Wait, let me open my mouth to see if it's enter. You do me like that. Ah, yeah. It came in. Ow, it's coming from here. This feels good, bro.
You can do your
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
It's not much, baby. It's not sure.
That will show.
Okay. But my clothes is going to be wet.
Yeah,
Okay.
especially your butt.
Yay, guys! I did it! That was fun. See, I dropped my phone.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Look how beautiful here is. You see the back?
Jesus, it's fun. And this is
Look the car. Oh, the car is totally.
white. Let me stand beside it. Oh my god. This is nice. Let's walk towards the bridge.
Hmm? Oh, now you want to walk outside.
Ooh. My hands are freezing.
Are you going to say something to the people?
Hi everyone. I am so happy. This is my first time. Baby, you're not seeing my face. Stay here. Let me stand
Let's
here.
see your face.
I am so happy now they can see me. This is my first snow and it's freezing, guys. I'm so happy.
You just wanted to wear a singlet.
I wanted to wear a singlet before because I was inside the house and the heater was on. I never knew how cold it was. But now that I'm outside, look at my hands. They're oh.
Where is your
It's in my pockets.
Then wear them.
Okay.
Because I'm not going to hold this thing the whole time for you like this. It's
Oh
cold.
my god, it's cold, babe.
Yeah, I told you it is cold. What do you think? It's ice.
Oh, I love it. Okay. Guess what? I can't even feel my hand properly.
Yeah, I told you.
Uh,
You lost the other one.
yeah. No. Ow. Okay. Okay. I have the one. Let's go.
You can hold this now. Oh, I am so cold.
Ooh.
Put one in your.
Okay. Okay. So we're headed to the bridge. This is the bridge. This bridge is very close to the house. You can see people. Look at this place. That's the canal over there. And
You know, look, the water is getting. You see, it's turning
Yeah.
into ice.
before you know it
next
now.
we are going to ski here.
Oh my god. Let's keep
Show
taking
them
a walk.
that way. Look, hey,
Where?
that way.
Okay.
You should turn this thing like this. Put your hands up. And
That's
and this is the better way to go.
yeah, you can see how everywhere is looking. Everywhere is
You can
looking.
film yourself from this distance instead of close.
So if I want to film myself now, what will I do?
Turn it around.
How will you see me?
But there, look how beautiful it is. There. Let's cross.
Oh, sorry.
Let's cross it.
Okay. Sorry, your shoe is slippery. Oh my.
You're filming the ground, eh?
I was filming your leg. Oh. You see, the water is filling it already.
But look how beautiful it is.
This is beautiful. This is very beautiful, babe. Let me just stand here and just.
Oh, it is really bright, eh?
Yes. Very, very.
It is better than the phone.
Yes.
Or maybe you should check your phone also if it films.
We're already started with this. Yeah, this footprint looks so nice.
Okay, watch out how you walk, eh? Because you can fall.
Guys, my lips is frozen.
You wanna go inside?
Let's get here, then we'll turn. Babe, say hi now. Say hi to my fans.
To go in the cold. I don't like it.
You're not serious. I love it too.
I don't like it.
I love it. Is that a chair there?
Yeah.
Let's go and sit there. But that place, there's no light, so are we going to see our video very well?
Yeah. You can pause it also, eh? Press off.
Okay. So now just on our way home now. We are done with our snow tour.
Watch out here.
Slippery.
Yeah, it can be slippery.
Are we crossing?
Hmm?
Are we crossing?
We're going to cross and walk here. Then, not long. Then we can buy the chicken right here in front of us. It's where you didn't want to go.
No problem. Let's go and buy chicken for dinner. Okay. So now just on our way home now. We are done with our snow tour.
Watch out here.
Slippery.
Yeah, it can be slippery.
Are we crossing?
Hmm?
Are we crossing?
We're going to cross and walk here. Then, not long. Then we can buy the chicken right here in front of us. It's where you didn't want to go.
No problem. Let's go and buy chicken for dinner.